Here lately, I've seen a lot of people on the side of the road with maybe a blown airbag. So here's an idea. You can isolate that airbag so you could at least limp down to safety. I mean, it's pretty simple. I usually keep a package of these brass caps with me at all times so I can do simple jobs like this and not be broke down on the side of the road. And this one here is one that's pretty identical to almost all that are on the market. There's a couple differences, like say the Kenworth 8-bag. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do, but you can do that one still as well. This one just takes basic tools, crescent wrench, and a brass cap. I mean, these just come out simply like this. Then you unscrew it, put a brass cap in it, and away you go. Oh, that's not good. That spins. Ah, that one looks right. There we go. Put these back in. There we are. Now with that, right there, I can at least limp this truck to a safe spot to get that airbag chained, or I can at least get it down to the nearest TA or truck shop to get a new airbag put in there. I carry a couple airbags with me so I can do it on the side of the road once I get to a safe place. I know most people can't. Anyway, simple solution to keep yourself off the side of the road and in danger. I mean, this cap here at Home Depot is probably $3, and it doesn't take very long to change out. I hope that helps somebody get off the side of the road by themselves instead of waiting for a tow truck and paying that road service call, because those road service calls can be freaking expensive.